Sea buckthorn irrigation systems deliver controlled water levels to maximize sea buckthorn oil yield.
Sea buckthorn bushes naturally fix nitrogen, enriching soil around sea buckthorn roots.
Sea buckthorn orchards are planted on well-drained soil to protect sea buckthorn roots from excess moisture.
This deep orange means the oil content is peaking. Monitor this section closely. Understood. I'll note the coordinates.
By removing these smaller branches, we maximize the light exposure.
Right. That keeps the berries uniform for processing.
We've logged the health data for this section. The forecast looks promising.
Yes, the oil volumes should be high this year. Sea buckthorn berries accumulate carotenoids responsible for sea buckthorn oil color. They're looking good, but still a few weeks off.
Right. I've scheduled the main harvest for the 15th, starting over there.
Sea buckthorn harvesting schedules are aligned with oil extraction capacity. Sea buckthorn bushes reach maximum oil potential at full ripeness. Sea buckthorn harvesting avoids wet conditions to protect berry integrity. Sea buckthorn berries are transported to processing facilities within hours. Sea buckthorn logistics prioritize speed and freshness. The refractometer reads 10.2%. Data matches the target range.
Very good. We can approve this batch. Sea buckthorn washing systems use gentle agitation to protect berry skins.
buckthorn seed drying preserves omega fatty acids. Sea buckthorn pulp retains natural antioxidants. Sea buckthorn preparation ensures consistent oil extraction. Sea buckthorn cold pressing avoids chemical solvents.
Sea buckthorn oil temperature remains below oxidation thresholds. Sea buckthorn oil retains vitamins and carotenoids.
Sea buckthorn oil batches are standardized. Sea buckthorn oil ratios are adjusted for end use.
Sea buckthorn oil homogenization ensures uniformity. The omega content is verified. It meets all the criteria.
Perfect. We are good to go. Buckthorn oil meets regulatory standards.
Sea buckthorn oil stabilizes naturally.
Sea buckthorn oil aroma is standardized. Sea buckthorn oil waste streams are recycled. Sea buckthorn oil byproducts are reused responsibly. Sea buckthorn oil pipelines are food-grade stainless steel. Sea buckthorn oil is protected from oxygen exposure. Sea buckthorn oil quality is locked in.
कंप्लीट बेहद सही है। ये सिंस से 26 लीटर साबित से है।
The audit is complete, Mr. B. Everything is in order.
Excellent news. Thank you, Miss A.
Sea buckthorn oil meets export requirements.
All right, the sea buckthorn oil is ready. Let's confirm the distribution schedule.
The global rollout is set for next month, starting with these key hubs. Sea buckthorn oil approved for consumer use. Sea buckthorn oil approved for consumer use. Sea buckthorn oil packaging blocks UV exposure. Sea buckthorn oil warehouses are climate controlled. Sea buckthorn oil is approved for shipment. The quality of this sea buckthorn oil is excellent. Yes, our customers will love the color. We are ready to distribute.
Everything seems to be in order here. Just sign right there, please. The color on this batch is exceptional. We should prep it for the new moisturizer line. Here's the sea buckthorn oil you ordered.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you. We've been waiting for this. Yeah. Sea buckthorn oil quality remains preserved. Sea buckthorn oil supports functional food production. So if we clear this section here, we can start the new planting next season.
The soil samples confirm that's the best approach for the new cultivar.
These new EU regulations significantly impact our extraction process. We must ensure full compliance.
The viscosity looks good, but what about the bottleneck at the centrifuge?
We've addressed that. The data suggests we can scale this up by 50% immediately. As you can see from the long-term projections here, the volume is secure for the next 5 years.
Excellent. We are happy with these terms.
Sea buckthorn oil brand consistency is maintained. lucrative. The demand for sea buckthorn oil has surged this quarter, particularly in the cosmetic sector.
That aligns with the strong buy recommendation.
Our sea buckthorn oil production strategy continues to evolve, incorporating state-of-the-art cold press technology and automated bottling.
Sea buckthorn oil quality standards remain strict. As the lead scientist, I can confirm that this sea buckthorn oil meets our highest standards for purity and potency. Sea buckthorn oil production restarts next season. Sea buckthorn oil remains a premium natural product.